Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dr. English Channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today's episode is all about English at the hotel. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos about the easy ways to learn English from beginner.
Yes, whether you're traveling for vacation, work, or study, you'll need English to check in, ask questions, or deal with problems at a hotel.
Exactly. We'll act out real conversations between hotel guests and staff, share tips, and help you sound natural and confident.
All right, let's start from the very beginning, making a reservation.
So, Emma, let's imagine you're calling a hotel to book a room.
Okay, I'll be the guest, and you'll be the receptionist.
Got it. Go ahead.
Good morning. I'd like to book a room for next weekend, please.
Sure. What dates would you like to stay?
From Friday to Sunday.
All right. Would you like a single or a double room?
A double room, please.
No problem. Would you prefer a room with a view?
Yes, a sea view if possible.
We do have one available. May I have your name, please?
Emma Johnson.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. Your room is confirmed for Friday to Sunday. Check-in is after 2 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
And that's how easy it is to book a hotel room in English.
Exactly. Simple, polite, and clear.
Now, you've arrived at the hotel. Time to check in.
Right. Let's role play again. This time, I'll be the guest.
All right. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Grand Sunset Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name Jack Brown.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Brown. We have you booked for 3 nights. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Will you be paying with cash or card?
By card, please.
Perfect. Here's your room key. You'll be in room 407 on the 4th floor.
Thank you very much.
Your breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Excellent. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Now, once you're checked in, you might need to ask the staff for information.
Exactly, like where the gym is or how to use the Wi-Fi.
Let's act that out.
Hi, excuse me. Could you tell me where the swimming pool is?
Of course. It's on the rooftop next to the bar.
Great. And is it open all day?
Yes, from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Perfect. And one more question. How can I connect to the Wi-Fi?
Just select Grand Sunset Free Wi-Fi and enter your room number and last name.
Got it. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
These are everyday interactions. Simple, but super useful.
Exactly. Always polite and with a friendly tone.
Okay, let's move on to room service or asking for something in your room.
Yes, like extra towels, cleaning, or ordering food.
Let's do a little role play.
Hello, this is room 407. Could I have some extra towels, please?
Of course, Mr. Brown. How many would you like?
Just 2, please.
No problem. We'll bring them to your room shortly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
You can also order food, right?
Yes. For example...
Hi, could I order dinner to my room?
Of course. May I take your order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken and a glass of orange juice, please.
And it's that easy.
Sometimes, though, things go wrong, like the air conditioning doesn't work.
True. Let's show how to handle that politely.
Hi, this is room 407. The air conditioner isn't working properly.
I'm so sorry about that, sir. I'll send someone from maintenance right away.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. It's always good to be calm and polite, even when you're upset.
Exactly. Anger doesn't help. Clear communication does.
Another example could be about noise.
Hello, I'm calling from room 305. It's a bit noisy next door. Could you please check?
Of course, I'll contact the guests and remind them to keep it down.
Perfect example, polite and effective.
And now it's your last day. Time to check out.
Let's do that scene.
Good morning, sir. Are you checking out today?
Yes, I am. Room 407.
All right. Did you take anything from the minibar?
Just one bottle of water.
Okay, no problem. Here's your final bill. Would you like a printed receipt?
Yes, please.
All set. We hope you enjoyed your stay.
Everything was wonderful, thank you.
We hope to see you again soon.
Definitely.
And that brings us to the end of our episode, English at the Hotel.
We covered everything from booking a room to checking out and even handling problems.
Yes, these are real-life conversations you'll use every time you travel.
And remember, confidence and politeness go a long way when speaking English.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
We'll see you next time on Dr. English Channel.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.